Hello viewers, welcome to ICSC Board Class 10 Physics. We are solving numericals and this is episode numericals 9.5. We are solving numericals for the chapter Electrical Energy, Power and Household Circuits. So far we have completed 12 numericals from the textbook and I have given some numericals to solve as homework. We are with sum number 13, so let us move on to numerical 13 and 14. So in this episode we will complete the numericals of this chapter. So let us move on to the sum number 13. Sum number 13 says there are two bulbs of 60 watt each and two coolers of 200 watt each that is working on an average of 4 hours a day. If the energy costs 3 rupees 50 paisa per kilowatt hour, calculate the monthly bill and the minimum fuse rating when the power is supplied at 200 volts. So how many bulbs are there? 2. And each one is of 60 volts. So together it will be 120. Same thing for the two coolers. Two coolers are there of 200. So 200 multiplied by 2, that will be 400. For how many hours it is going to work? For 4 hours. So now 120 plus 400 multiplied by 4, you are going to get 2080 watt hours. Now this is for a day. So for a month it is 30. So 2080 multiplied by 30, that is going to be 62,400 watt hours. But if you remember, commercial units is always been considered as kilowatt hour. So converting this 62,400 watt hour into kilowatt hour, so we are dividing by 1000, so we get 62.40 kilowatt hours. This much is being used throughout the month. So per month, per kilowatt hour it is 3 rupees 50 paisa. So throughout the month it will be how much? So it will be 218 rupees 40 paisa. Power of the bulbs and coolers, if you add, that is 120 plus 400, it is 520 watts. Now you know the formula P is equal to what? V into I. Replacing the value of P and V, we can find out the value of I. So it is pretty simple sum, just a little bit knowledge of analysis is required and the formula is required. Anyway, we move on to sum number practice problem 13.1 that I am going to do it. Question number 2, you are going to work it out as your homework. So let us begin. So I am beginning from here. So here my answer begins from here. Answer practice problem 13.1. It says 4 tube lights. So 4 tube lights of how many watts? 40 watts. So that will be what? 40 multiplied by 4. That is going to give me 160 watt. Then how many fans are there? 2 fans are there. 2 fans of how many watts? 100 watts. So that means 100 multiplied by 2, that will be 200 watts. So total will be 160 of tube light and 200 of fan. So that will be 360 watts. This is running for how many hours? It is running for how many hours it is running? It is running for 8 hours. So 8 hours. So that will be what? 360 multiplied by 8. So now 8 zeros are 0, 8 6 are 48, 8 4 carry, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4, 28. This is watt hour. Now this is running for a day. So it is for a day. Now for a month, that means it is 30 days. So that is going to become 2880 multiplied by 30. So how much it comes up to? This is going to be 0, 0, 3 8s are 24, 2 carry, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 6, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. This will be what? Watt hour. Now converting into kilowatt hour, that is 86.4 kilowatt hour. So I'm moving this side. So here 1 kilowatt hour is equal to how much charge it is? 1 rupees 50 paisa. And how many kilowatt hour is being used in a month? 86.4 kilowatt hour is used in a month. So 86.4 multiplied by 1.50, that is going to give me 1129.60 rupees. So I got my answer. Now what else we have to find out? Minimum fuse rating. So let us find out minimum fuse rating. So tube light plus fan, that means power used by tube light and fan is how much? So if you check it out, it is coming up to 360. So 160 plus 200. So here it is 160 plus 200, that is 360 watt. And what is V given? V is given as 200 watts. So now we know P is equal to VI. So now P is how much? 360 upon 200 is equal to I. So I comes up to this one cancel. So it is 1.8 ampere. So you got how I did the sum. It is P is equal to VI. P value is 360. I is, we have to find out, V value is 200. So I is equal to P upon V. We get I is equal to 1.8 ampere. So this is my answer. So I hope you got the sum how to do it. Try this 1 or 2 times, or watch the video 2 or 3 times, and you will come to know how to solve the sums. Question number 2 is just like the question number 1 as well as the example. Let us move on to sum number 14, which is the last one of this chapter. An electric circuit operating at 250 volts has following appliances connected in parallel, and the energy cost is 5 rupees 40 paisa per kilovolt ampere hour. So here 4 bulbs of 400 watt, that is going to be 400. 2 room heaters resistance 50 ohm working for 2 hours. 2 air conditions drawing a current of 8 ampere for 6 hours. 3 coolers of 1/3 horsepower each working for 10 hours a day. Calculate the monthly bill and calculate the minimum fuse rating. So first of all we will start with bulbs. So power of bulbs, 4 multiplied by 100 is 400. For how many hours it is working? For 8 hours. So it is 3200 watt hours. Power for one heater is V square upon R. So it is 1250 watts. So for 2 it is how many watts is going to be used? 2500 watts is going to be used. So energy consumed by the 2 heaters, that is power multiplied by time. So it is 5000 watt hour. So we are making it watt hour, and watt hour. We add all these things at the end, and then we will convert it into kilowatt hour or kilovolt ampere hour. So now power of 3 coolers. So 3 multiplied 1/3 horsepower. It is how much? 750 horsepower. Consume a day. So for 10 hours. So 750 multiplied by 10. So 7500 watt hours. Add all of that. You get 39.7 kilowatt hours. Now for a month, so it is 30. So we are converting, we are multiplying by 30. So in a month, how much it is used? 1191 kilowatt hour is used. Now multiply by 5.45 rupees 40 paisa, we get 6,431 rupees and 40 paisa. Total power of appliances, add all of them, 400, 2,500, 4,000 and 750, you get 7,650 watt divided by the voltage, that is 250. We got the minimum fuse rating of how much? 37 amperes. So this is pretty simple sum. Just calculate and then put it in, put the values in the formula. You will be able to find the required quantities. Let us move on to sum number 1, and sum number 2 you are going to work it out. So this will be for your homework, and this will be one number I will be doing it. So here we will start with here. So it's a answer practice problem 14.1. Boys hostel has the following appliances where the energy supply at, so volt is given, V is given, how many volts are there? 200 volts are there. Cost is how much? So we write cost. Cost is 5 rupees 25 paisa per kilowatt hour. Understood? Now how many bulbs are there? 40 bulbs of 100 each. So we will start with number 1. 40 bulbs of 100 watts each. So that will be 40 multiplied by 100. That is going to become 40 multiplied by 100. That is going to become 4,000 watt. And for how many hours it is been used up? It is been used up for 8 hours. So that means 4,000 multiplied by 8, so it becomes 32,000 watt hour. Number 2, 20 fans drawing this much amount of current working for 15 hours. So there are how many fans are there? 20 fans. So write down 20 fans. How much current they are using? They are using 0.8 ampere current they are using, and working for how many hours? 15 hours it is working. So here power is equal to I multiplied by V, 0.8 multiplied by 200. Now 20 fans, that means 20 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by 200. For how many hours it is going to work? For 15 hours. So that is going to be 48,000 watt hours. Let us move on to the third one. Third one says 2 TV sets each offering a resistance of 200 volts. So P is equal to V square upon R. So it is 200 multiplied by 200 and R is 200. For how many days it is going to work? If you see, then it is a day. How many hours it is working? A day it is going to work for 4 hours. It says a day 4 hours. So multiply by 4. And how many TV sets are there? 2 TV sets. So this one and this one is cancelled. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. So it is 1600 watt hours. Next one, it says 2 electric motors of 1.5 HP. So I am writing here, actually okay, I am writing here fourth one. So here 2 electric motors of 1.5 HP. It is also working for how many hours? 4 hours a day. So this is going to become what? 2 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12 HP. Now 1 HP is equal to, here 1 HP is equal to 750 watt hour. So 12 multiplied by 750, that is going to become what? 9000 watt hour. Now we have to add, and this reducing to small, so it becomes easy for us to know. So here we have to add all of them. So energy consumed is equal to, if we add, so we get first one 32,000 plus 48,000 plus 1600 plus 9,000. So how much it comes up to? 32,000, that is for the 40 bulbs, 48,000 that is for the 20 fans, 1600 that is for 2 TV sets, and 9,000 that is for 2 electric motors. So it comes up to 90,600 watt hour. This is per day. Now for a month, so 90,600 watt hour multiplied by 30, that is going to be 2718123 watt hour, converting into kilowatt hour, 2718 kilowatt hour. So this is for month, and it is going to charge, how much it is going to charge? So I am taking this side, so it is 5.25 rupees per kilowatt hour. Therefore for 2718 multiplied by 5.25, that will be how much? 14,269.50 rupees. This is my monthly bill. Understood? I hope you understood each and everything. It is pretty simple. The thing is that you require to know the formulas that you are going to use it. Understood? So this is my monthly bill, 14,269.50 paisa, 0.50 rupees is my monthly bill. 14,269 rupees and 50 paisa is my monthly bill. Now what it says? It says to find out the fuse of 48 ampere and 50 ampere. Which one will you use and why? So now let's move to the last part, that is among us the fuse of 48 ampere and 50 ampere, which one will be preferring. So what I'm doing, I'm just going here on the top, so it becomes easy for us to do. So here number 1. So how many bulbs were there? 40 bulbs multiplied by 100, that would be 4,000 watt. Number 2, 20 fans multiplied by 20 fans multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by 200. So how much it comes up to? So it comes up to 16 multiplied by 200 divided by 10, that will be 3200 watts. Number 3, 2 TV sets. So here 2 multiplied by 200 multiplied by 200 upon 200. So that will be 400 watts. Number 4. So 2 electric motors. So 2 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 750. That is going to be 2250 watts. So total power P is equal to 4000 plus 3200 plus 400 plus 2250, that will be going to 9850 watt. So now we have to find out current. I is equal to P upon V, that will be 9850 upon 200, that will be 49.25 ampere, approximately 50 ampere it is. So my answer is, the answer is 50 ampere. So we will be selecting 50 ampere because here it says 40 ampere, which will be very less. The energy consumed by the appliances is more, so the ampere current is about 50, which is more than the 48 amperes. So which one we are going to choose? 50 ampere. If we use 48, then the electric appliances are not going to work, because this 48 ampere is going to withdraw only current of 48 amperes, not more than that. Why? Because the makeup of this fuse is about 48 ampere, which will going to fuse the whole circuit, and the current is not going to go beyond that. So we require to have a fuse of 50 amperes. Understood? So this is pretty easy sum, but it is very lengthy. So please go through it once or twice. If you have any doubt or any sort of questions, please let me know in the comment box. Here we finish with our chapter with the numericals. Thanks very much, guys. I hope you understood each and every part of this chapter and numericals. Thank you once again.